This is the Camp Liki Research Center in Indonesia's Tanjung Puting National Park, where several infant orangutans are learning to survive in the wild. Much like humans, orangutan females nurture their children until they are about 8 years old. So if their mothers die, their only chance is to be rescued by conservationists. The main reason behind the rapid shrinking of the orangutan population is the harvest of palm oil, a much sought-after commodity used in many industries.
When a palm oil plantation is established, the orangutans that used to live there become refugees in their own land. They starve, they start raiding the young palm oil plants, they destroy them, and of course the palm oil managers, concessionaires, tend to kill them.
The United Nations estimates that in the past 20 years, 3.5 million hectares, or 90% of orangutans' natural habitat, has been cleared to make space for palm trees. But there is a ray of hope for the animals with whom we share 97% of our DNA. Wildlife tourism brings money and educates people about the importance of saving endangered species.
We have a schedule to educate local people, and then we train them to be guide and everything. And then some people from there, if they work in a palm oil plantation, they change their mind, they stop working there and they move to the tourism.
The situation is worse in parts of Africa, where the Rothschild giraffe is on the edge of extinction.
They were endangered because they lost their habitat. People started clearing down vegetation to create room for agriculture. So in the process, the giraffes started dying due to lack of food. And also human beings used to kill them in case they invaded in the crop field.
There are only about 1,100 Rothschild giraffes in the world, and only about 450 of this subspecies living in zoos. The 140 living in Nairobi's Giraffe Center attract tourists from all over the world.
Being here with these animals right now, I think it's such an experience, and we should learn how to keep them and protect them instead of, as I said, make them disappear off this world.
While tourism helps the animals living in sanctuaries, their number in the wild continues to rapidly decline. The International Union for Conservation of Nature says since 1985, the number of giraffes in southern and eastern Africa has dropped as much as 40%, which downgraded their status to vulnerable, meaning at risk of extinction. George Putic, VOA News, Washington.